At AIRE Environmental, we take pride in the products we design. Our attention to detail and unwavering commitment to quality materials ensure our customers have reliable solutions when they need them most. And we understand that some jobs can be tougher than others, causing significant wear and tear on our AIRE Environmental potable water bladders. That's why we recommend having a repair kit close by that allows you to get your bladder back to work in no time. AIRE Environmental potable water repair kits include the following: 1 4-ounce canister of XP600 repair cement, 1 pair of nitrile gloves, 3 pieces of 180 grit sandpaper, 6 alcohol prep pads, 3 pieces of 6-inch by 6-inch NSF 61 approved fabric. To begin the repair process, drain and dry the potable water bladder entirely. Be sure to thoroughly clean the area that is to be patched using the included alcohol pads. Once the bladder has been prepped, cut out a rounded patch using the provided fabric. Be sure the piece you cut will overlap the hole by at least 2 inches on all sides. Next, scuff the area on the bladder that will be patched and the smooth side of the patch itself with the sandpaper included in the kit. Once both surfaces have been scuffed, wipe the areas again with a fresh alcohol pad. To adhere the patch, apply a thin layer of XP600 glue to the scuffed areas on both the bladder and the patch. Allow both surfaces to dry entirely. When the first coat of glue is dried, apply a second layer of glue to both surfaces and allow it to dry until it reaches a tacky texture. Once the glue is tacky, use a rolling motion to apply the patch to the damaged bladder surface. Use a roller or rounded edge putty knife to put pressure on the entire patch and be sure you clear out any air bubbles that may have gotten trapped underneath. After applying the patch, allow the glue to cure for 24 hours before filling the bladder with water. Once the patch is secure, the repair is complete and you may continue using your potable water bladder. Please note that it is crucial to follow all instructions listed in order to prevent contamination. Do not use alternate glue or materials, and be sure to consult your local water quality office for best practices and cleaning recommendations. Call 800-247-3846 for repairs larger than 1 inch in diameter.